The best apps to make money online with your phone 2021. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on e-commerce know-how. How can you earn $10 every minute with your phone? Now, you must be thinking, this is impossible, right? Well, actually you can. In this video, we will show you how to do it. Step by step, in this video, we will review the step-by-step process on how to use these 4 apps to earn $10 every minute. If you want to earn free PayPal money right now, watch this video until the end. Before we start though, don't forget leave a like. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video. If we can do it, it would be amazing. Also, comment below what country are you from. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button. You don't want to miss these videos. Methinks, money for thoughts. Your opinion is valuable. Do you know you can get paid for your opinion? The task on this app includes giving feedback by testing apps, games, online shopping, and more. First, download the Methinks app from the Google Store or Apple Store. Completes the initial registration process and answer the basic questions about yourself. This is important so that the application has enough information to bring you the right paid gigs or jobs. Methinks connects you with companies that pay you for your comments and opinions on a wide variety of topics. The key features on the app include building your profile and help businesses find you, apply for gigs, impress companies, and win follow-up jobs. Finally, you get paid every single week from home. You can also use your phone to work. All you need is a stable internet with connection. 2. Citizenme, Control Cash Trust. You've probably heard of this popular app before. Join the more than 300,000 digital citizens who are already taking control of their data. Most importantly, get rewarded for it, at your terms. Citizenme is the most trusted app in the world to get anonymous opinions, personality insights, and quick payments. Download the app, complete the registration process, and become a citizen. You will see 5 types of data pools in the Citizenme application through which you can exchange your data for fair value. The green tiles you see in the application are the ones that give you a cash reward for sharing your opinions. The first time you complete a data survey, you will be prompted to log into your PayPal account. You can select Connect and complete the exchange. Once you finish it, you will be paid your cash reward directly into your PayPal account. The app is most preferred for mobile devices, allowing you to make money on the go. If you want to earn free PayPal money while you're traveling, Citizenme is a great application. Nevu. This is another great data entry application. Earn some extra money while you walk, in line for your morning coffee, or during that commercial break by completing tasks optimized for mobile devices that help artificial intelligence models work better. 1. Download and register with your email address. 2. Link a verified payment method PayPal, Payable, etc. 3. Start completing tasks. Common tasks include drawing bounding boxes around objects and images that identify key people, places, and things in the text and transcribe. Snippets of recorded audio, among many other things. Paid varies by task, but Nevo users earn an average of $10 to $15 an hour. You usually work for 10 to 15 minutes, and the more you work, the easier and quicker it gets to complete the tasks. Your work is contributing to AI to help them understand the world around them. AI models rely on human annotators to teach them what. That's where you come in. As a contributor to Nevo, your work helps the top tech companies to launch new products, combat algorithmic bias, and fine-tune some of the most used technology in the world to run a little smoother than before. You can complete tasks on the Nevo app, but if you work on their website, you earn more. This app is a must-try for that extra cash. Userlytics. The Userlytics application is a state-of-the-art user testing mobile app. The app allows you to answer questions and record your session, both the webcam view and the device screen plus audio. As you interact with websites, mobile apps, and prototypes, follow a series of instructions and answer questions. The user experience and usability test is by invitation only. Userlytics clients are Fortune 500 companies, the agencies that serve them, and advanced technology startups that want their websites and mobile apps to be as user-friendly as possible. During the unmoderated session, you must follow the instructions and respond to questions out loud. There are no right or wrong answers here. They are not testing you and are simply observing the user experience and usability of the app. This application also asks you to participate in offline user experience studies or combined online and offline user experience projects. You will help these tech companies develop user-friendly products, and you will be compensated for your time in what was defined in the invitation you received. Once you downloaded the Userlytics app, you can use it several times, and every time you are invited to a user experience or usability test, that many times you will be asked to perform online or offline user experience tests, for example, in a store or on a website, and sometimes both. The incentive you receive will be proportional to time and effort required. This app is great to help develop the future, and you're getting paid for it. That's all for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful. Do leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.